We're constantly working to improve OnTime so that it can be the very best that it can be. And with the new version 5.4, we've made some changes both to the desktop client but also to the web mobile. The new and very smart function in OnTime Mobile is the new Find Free Time function, which you can use when you're trying to find a time to have a meeting, but you can't get an overview of when it is possible. So if you're creating a meeting like you normally would in OnTime Mobile, you start out with changing it from an appointment to a meeting, and then you invite the different people and write a subject. Here you can set the duration of the meeting if you, for example, want the meeting to be 2 hours long. You can now use the Find Free Time function down here. This gives you different options to choose between, which have a 2-hour duration. You can then choose one, click Add, and your meeting invites will be sent out. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.